아이유는 여배우입니다. What does it mean? If you notice, the word in red letters is YEOBAEU. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about YEOBAEU. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 336. YEOBAEU. YEOBAEU. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is yo, second syllable is be, and third syllable is u. Pronounce it with me. YEOBAEU. YEOBAEU. The word YEOBAEU is a noun which means actress. Again, YEOBAEU means actress. How do we write YEOBAEU in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable yo, we need to draw first a no sound ian followed by a yo character. For the second syllable be, we need to draw first a beep character followed by an e character. And then for the last syllable u, we need to draw first a no sound or a placeholder ian followed by an u character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word YEOBAEU. Now let's look at this example. It says, IU is an actress. Again, IU is an actress. The Korean translation of this example is IU는 여배우입니다. Again, IU는 여배우입니다. The Korean translation could be subdivided into two. The first part is IU는. So, IU is the name of a Korean actress, and she is the subject of the sentence. And we just added nun to indicate that that name or that actress is the subject. For the second part, it's 여배우입니다. 여배우 is a word for the day. It means actress. And when we added 입니다 to it, it could result to a phrase that means is an actress or someone is an actress. So, when we combine IU는 and 여배우입니다, it would result to a sentence that means IU is an actress. So, looking back to this, which is flashed at the beginning, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence IU는 여배우입니다 is IU is an actress. And with that, you've just learned YEOBAEU. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 326 to 335. But don't forget our word for today, word number 336, YEOBAEU, which means actress. The first word for our review is word number 335, it's 쓰레기, which means trash. Next word is 7월, which means July. Next word is 요리하다, which means to cook. Next word is 이상하다, which means to be strange. Next word is 별로, which means not really. Next word is tuk, which means porridged. Next word is 갑자기, which means that was sudden. Next word is 요리, which means cooking. Next word is 쓰다, which means to write. And the last word for our review is word number 326. It's television, which means television or TV. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.